Here, exercise 11.2, question number 9. Top surface of raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon as shown in the figure. This figure is given here. Find the area of octagonal surface. Here you have to find out the area of this octagon. See, and it's a regular octagon. It means all of sides are equal here. All are equal to 5 meter. So here we have given this 4 meter width and this length is given here 11 meter. So what we will do here, we'll divide it into, see, we can divide this figure like this. Now this is trapezium, the first one figure, second is rectangle, and third is also trapezium. Right? You can see if you divide this figure like this, then the first one, this first one is trapezium, the second one is rectangle, and third one is trapezium. We don't know about the formula of octagon, how to find out area of octagon, so we'll divide the figures into other quadrilaterals to find the area. So we know that the area of trapezium and rectangle, so we can easily find out the area of octagon then, right? So let's see what figure is given here. Here we have given octagon. So all of its sides are equal, which is equal to 5 meter. This is given 11 meter and this height is given 4 meter. If we will join this, then you can see we have 3 figures now. 3 partition is here. First is trapezium, second is rectangle, third is also trapezium. And you can see first and third are same. This is 5, this is also 5. This is 11, this is also 11. And this is height is 4 here, so it will also same here 4 because all of the sides are equal. It's a regular polygon, so height will also be same here. Okay. So firstly we'll find out area of 1 and 3, which is same. So let's find out. This is question number 9. Area of region 1, which is also equal to area of region 2, which is a trapezium. It will be half into sum of parallel sides. Parallel sides are here 5 and 11 and height is given here 4. Then solve it. Half into 16 into 4, it's 32. 32 meters square. So the area of 1 and area of 3 is 32 meters square. Now we'll find out area of part 2, which is a rectangle, and its length is 11, breadth is 50, so area will be 55 meters square, right? Then we will find out area of octagonal surface, total area. Here we will mention total area or area of octagonal surface, which is equal to area of 1 plus area of 2 plus area of 3, right? 119 meters square. So the area of octagonal surface is 119 meters square. Question number 10 is, there is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita are divided into 2 different ways. Like we can divide the pentagon in different ways. See, here we have pentagon. Either we can divide the pentagon like this or we can divide the pentagon like this. So you have to find out the area of this park using the both ways. And you suggest some other way of finding its area, और आपको check करना है कि क्या आप किसी और way से भी इसका area find out कर सकते हैं. So firstly here we have given 2 figures. We have to find out the area of this figure by 2 ways. So first is the Jyoti's diagram, second one is Kavita's diagram. So we have to try the both of the ways, right? First pentagon is given here. These three sides are given 15 here. This total is given here 30. Then this will also be 15, right? The total height is of the figure is given 30. This is 15. Then definitely the left one will be also 15. So let's see how to do is. We have given figure like this, pentagon, where this is given 15, 15, 15, right? And we are going to divide it like this, and this is given 30 here, total height. Now, again, there are two parts, and it's trapezium again. The first one and the second one is trapezium, and both are same. Both parallel sides are same. And what will be the height here? This will be the height now. You can say this is straight, and this total is 15, then half will be 7.5, or you can say 15 upon 2, right? This will be 7.5. So let's find out the area now. Area of 1, which will be equal to area of 2, right? Which is a trapezium. So we'll apply the formula, half into sum of parallel sides into height, right? It will be half into 45 multiply 7.5. You can open 7.5 as 75 upon 10, or you may directly multiply 45 into 7.5, and then you may divide by 2. So what will be the answer here? It's equal to 337.5 divided by 2 is equal to 168.75. Now we'll find out the area of pentagon. So आप डायरेक्टली ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, द एरिया ऑफ पेंटागन इज इक्वल टू 2 मल्टीप्लाई एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपीजियम. इट विल बी इजी टू सॉल्व देन, अगर आप उस वे से करें तो. ठीक है. एरिया ऑफ पेंटागन विल बी देन एरिया ऑफ 1 plus area of 2 is equal to 337.5 meters square. This is the area of the pentagon by first way, right? The first way we have given here. You can do it like this also. Area of pentagon is 2 into area of trapezium, 2 into half of sum of parallel sides into height. Then you can do directly 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Then it will be 45 into 7.5. Then directly you will get 337.5 meters square. This will be the area of the pentagon then, because pentagon here we have divided the pentagon in two parts, equal parts, which is a trapezium, right? Now in next part we are to use this diagram. Here we are to use this diagram now. So here we'll divide the pentagon in this way and we'll find out the area. Here we have divided the pentagon like this. Now we have two parts here. One is triangle, another is square. Because it's given 15, it's also given 15, it's also given 15, then opposite, definitely its opposite will also be 15, because these two are also equal, right? So it will be a square. Its opposite will also be 15, because straight lines are given here, right? So it's a square. Okay. And it's a triangle now here, where these two sides, where base is 15 and this height will also be 15. The reason is total it's given 30. ये total 30 है. 15 is this one. The left one is also 15. जो left one है वो भी 15 हो जाएगी. Right? Now we have triangle and square. In square the sides are of 15. centimeter, or you can say, sorry, 15 meter is given here, and this base is also 15 and this height is also 15. So firstly we'll find out the area of one, or you can say area of triangle. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल क्या आएगा आपके पास, हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट, दैट इज 225 डिवाइड बाय 2 is equal to 112.5 meters square, right? And then we will find out area of square. Area of square is equal to side into side, that is 15 into 15, 222 5 222 5 225 meters square. Then area of the pentagon, area of the park will be, we will add it and we'll get the same answer by this way also, 337.5 meters square. This is the area of the pentagon by another way, right? Question number 11 is, diagram of adjacent frame has outer measure. Here you have given this figure, frame is given here, and diagram of adjacent frame has outer dimension 24 and 20 by 28, and inner dimensions are given 16 and 20. These are given outer dimension, it's given inner dimension. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. You have to find out area of the frame where the width of each section का area find out करना है, where the width of each section is same. See here, this figure is given here. What we have given here, this inner dimensions are given 20 by 16, outer dimensions are given 28 by 24. हमें each section, इसे section जो बन रहा है उनका area find out करना है. These are the sections. See, this is 1, this is 2, 3 and 4. हमें इन 4 के 4 sections का area find out करना है and the width is same. So firstly we will find out width. सबसे पहले हम width find out करेंगे. This width. Okay, this width कैसे find करेंगे? This total is 28. This inner one is 20. तो कितना left रह गया? 8. और section की width same है, तो यहाँ पे भी 4 और यहाँ पे भी क्या हो जाएगा? 4. This total is given 28. This inner dimension is given 20. So 8 is left. ऊपर भी 4 हो जाएगा और नीचे भी 4 because the width is same. Okay. Same here also, this is 4, this is 4, and the same this side also. It's 24, inner it's 16. So how much is left? 8. And they are also saying width of each section is same. तो एक section की find out करके बाकी सबकी अपने आप ही आ जाती है. You don't need to find out. Or you can say 24 minus 16, 8. This is also 4 and this is also 4. The width of each section is 4. Now we will find out area of each section. Let's take first. This first. Is first में which type of figure is this? This is a trapezium because these two you can see opposite are parallel, and height is given here 4. This is given here 16. This is given here 24, and it's a trapezium here. Right? Again, I'm repeating. Here we have given outside dimensions 28 and 24, inside 20 and 16, and how to find out width. It's total 28, inner side it's 20. So how much is left? 8. 8 will be the width, total width. So this side 4 and this side will be also 4. 8 का half ऊपर हो जाएगा, half नीचे, because it's mentioned here that सभी sections की width same है. Width of each section is same. So सारी की सारी कितनी हो जाएंगी? 4 हो जाएंगी width. Right? Now we will find out area. Let's find out area of one. It's trapezium. You can say this, you can take this as 1. Okay? It's trapezium. This is height 4. This parallel side's 24, this parallel side 16. Let's find out area. Okay, so here you will find out area of section 1, which is equal to half into sum of parallel sides, which are given here, 15, sorry, 24 and 16 into height, that is 4. Width is 4, that means height is 4. Solve it. Half into 40 into 4 is equal to 80 meters square. Here you can also mention centimeter square, sorry. Here you can also mention area of section 1 is equal to area of section 3. So इन दोनों section का area आपके पास आ गया 80 centimeter square. Just whether it's meter or centimeter, check it according to the question you have to mention here, right? Then here you have given figure. This one, right? First and second we have found. First and third we have found because it's same. Now we'll find out second and fourth. Second and fourth में one parallel side is 28, inner parallel side is 20, and the height is same 4. And third and fourth both are same. Right? Now we'll find out area of section 3 and 4. Area of 3, section 3 is equal to area of section 4, which is also a trapezium, half into sum of parallel sides into height is equal to half into 48 into 4 is equal to 96 centimeter or meter, whatever it's given, square. ठीक है? So area of first and third is same. Sorry, it's second. This one is second. Second and fourth is same. First and third is same. So area of each section is 80. First ka 80, second 96, third 80, fourth also 96. Like this way we can find out area of this frame, each section of the frame. Now this exercise is completed. Complete this exercise in your notebook also.